In this lecture, once again we will see first the law of mixture for more than two bodies, as the law of mixture I had already discussed earlier. So as we know that according to the law of mixture, if we have two bodies, one is a hot body, suppose hot body is 1, and other we have a cold body, and let us suppose cold body is 2. Mass of hot body is m1, specific heat capacity of hot body is c1, and initial temperature of hot body is T1. And same for the cold body, mass is M2, specific heat capacity is C2, and initial temperature of cold body is C2. Now we are going to mix the two body. If the two body are liquid, they can mix, but if the two bodies are solid, then in this case we can make the contact between the two bodies, that the two body can simply come in contact, that is touch. So as we know that after mixing or after making into contact the two bodies, let us suppose the final equilibrium temperature of the mixture or of the system is T. So as we know that according to law of mixture, heat given by or heat lost by hot body is equal to heat gained by the cold body. So as from the formula we will write M1 C1, and for the hotter body T1 is the higher temperature, so we will write T1 minus T. And for the colder body similarly we will write M2 C2 into higher temperature minus lower temperature, that is T minus T2. One thing that we should know, that if we make the one hot body and other cold body into contact, then the final equilibrium temperature lies between T is always lesser than the hotter body, that is T1, and final equilibrium temperature is greater than the colder body, that is T2. So for cold body we write T minus T2, that is higher temperature minus lower temperature. Now we will bring this term left hand side, so the equation will become M1 C1 T minus T1 minus T minus M2 C2 T minus T2 equal to 0. Now we will multiply this equation by minus 1. So this equation will become M1 C1 T minus T1 plus M2 C2 T minus T2 equal to 0. So we will remember this equation as a formula, that is M1 C1 into final equilibrium temperature minus T1 plus M2 C2 into final equilibrium temperature minus T2 equal to 0. This equation is valid for two bodies. Now if we have more than two bodies, that is for n number of system, that is n number of systems are making contact with each other or they are mixed with each other. So in this case we will write M1, that is to find final equilibrium temperature we will use M1 C1 T minus T1 plus M2 C2 T minus T2 plus M3 C3 T minus T3 plus dash 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 plus Mn Cn T minus Tn equal to 0. From this equation we will find the final equilibrium temperature of the system. Now let us see some numerical to make the concept more clear. Let us suppose we have three liquids and this is the data given for the three liquids, that is the masses are given 5 kg, 3 kg, 10 kg, specific heat capacity given 200, 500 and 100, and initial temperature of liquid 1 is 20 degree, liquid 2 is 60 degree, and for liquid C it is minus 40 degree. The question is that the three liquids are intermixed inside a container, and the question is asking find the final temperature of the system or final temperature of the mixed liquid. So to get the answer we will apply for n number of system formula. So we will assume that final temperature of the liquids or final temperature of the system is T. Now we will apply the formula, that is M1 C1 T minus T1 plus M2 C2 into T minus T2 plus M3 C3 into T minus T3 equal to 0. Now we will simply substitute all the data as given in the question here. So as it is given, mass of liquid 1 is 5, specific heat given 200, T minus T1, that is initial temperature of the liquid 1 which is given 20 degrees Celsius, plus M2 which is 3 kg, specific heat capacity is given 500, T minus T2 and which is 60 degree, plus M3 C3 into T minus T3, minus of minus 40 it will become plus 40 equal to 0. So we will just simplify this to get the final answer. Again we will cancel out 5. So the final 2t minus 40 plus 3t minus 180 plus 2t plus 80 equal to 0. Now from here it will become 3 to 5 to 7. 7t it will become minus 140 equal to 0, and from here T will come out 20 degrees Celsius. That is the final temperature of the system when the three liquid get mixed with each other will become 20 degrees Celsius. Now we will see one more numerical to make the thing more clear. Now let's see the second question. The temperature of equal masses of three liquids A, B and C are given as 12 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively. The temperature when A and B are mixed is 16 degrees Celsius and when B and C are mixed is 23 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature when A and C are mixed? First try this question by yourself, then see the solution. So as given in the question that we have three liquids A. Initial temperature of A is 12 degrees Celsius and of liquid B is 19 degrees Celsius, and for liquid C it is given as 28 degrees Celsius. Now it is given that when we are mixing the liquid A and B, then the final equilibrium temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, and when we are mixing B and C separately, then the final equilibrium temperature of the system is 23 degrees Celsius, and we have to find the final equilibrium temperature when A and C are mixed. What will be the temperature when A and C are mixed separately? So we will apply the law of mixture that we learned earlier. So first we will write for A and B when mixed separately. So what we will write here? Mass of A into specific heat capacity of A final minus TA plus MB CB final minus TB equal to 0. Now we will substitute all the given data here. Since the masses of the liquids are same, so this quantity will get cancelled out. Specific heat capacity and final equilibrium temperature when A and B are mixed is given as 16 degrees Celsius. So we will substitute as 16 minus TA which is 12 degrees Celsius plus CB T which is 16 minus TB which is 90 degree equal to 0. Now we simplify this, it will become 4Ca minus 3 Cv equal to 0. Now we will find when B and C are intermixed separately. So for this we will write Mb into Cb T minus Tb plus Mc Cc T minus Tc equal to 0. Now we will put all the data here. So what is Mb given? Mb, since the masses are equal for all the liquids, this quantity will cancel out. So this will become Cb, and T, that is final equilibrium temperature when B and C are mixed, is 23 degrees Celsius. So 23 minus Tb, which is 19 degree, plus Cc 23 minus Tc, which is 28 degree, equal to 0. Now we will simplify this. So it will become 4 Cb minus 5 Cc equal to 0. Now we will write the equation 4 when A and C are intermixed separately. So from here, for this we will write between A and C Ma Ca T minus Ta plus Mc Cc T minus Tc. So since masses are equal, this quantity will cancel out. Now we will put Ca here in terms of Cb. So from here, Ca is equal to 3 Cb by 4. So we will add here 3 Cb by 4 T minus Ta, and Ta is 12 degrees Celsius, plus Cc. We will put Cc in terms of Cb. So from here, Cc will come out 4 Cb by 5. So put here, it will become 4 Cb by 5 T minus Tc, and Tc is 28 degrees Celsius. This is equal to 0. From here, Cc will get cancelled out. Now we are going to simplify this equation. If we will simplify, the final temperature, that is final T, will come out 20.3 degrees Celsius. And this is the final answer for the given sum.